We will start in our login.html file. So after the closing form tag, we'll put in a div tag, class for styling. And within the opening and closing div tags, we have a paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag, we have a link tag, class for styling. And the URL will be password reset. And what will appear on screen? Let's now proceed to create the first template. So within the registration folder, right click, new file, and that will be password reset form.html. We start with load static. We're not inheriting from the base template. We have our link tag because of that. We then have a div tag, class for styling. Within the opening and closing div tags, we have a paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag, we have an H2 tag, just a heading there. We then have an HR tag, and here a break tag. We have a paragraph tag, class for styling. And within those opening and closing paragraph tags, just a message. Then we have our form tag, method equal to post. Within the opening and closing form tags, we start with a CSRF token tag, and then we have a paragraph tag, class equal to. Within these opening and closing tags, we have a label tag, and then we have form.email. After that, we have an input tag, type equal to submit, and value equal to submit. Right, so we're using that password reset form, as I said, to get the user's email. That's it. The next template we need to create is the password reset email template, right? So again, in the registration folder, right click, click on new file, and that will be password_reset_email.html. So this file is not going to be any styling. We're just going to put in text and the required context. So that's one message, and then we'll put in the user's email. So we just say email there. Now we'll put in protocol, which, as you know, will be HTTP or HTTPS. And then this will be for us localhost, and then the URL to redirect to. So that will be password reset confirm, right, for entering that new password. And we also need to provide those keyword arguments that the password reset confirm you need. So that's UIDB 64 equal to UID and token. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Make sure there's no spaces in between this, or you will get an error. Another message. And so we're providing the user with their username, just in case they forget it, right? The next template, or the next text file, I should say, is the password reset subject.txt. So within the same registration folder, right click, new file, password reset subject.txt. And in this, we just have one line there, password reset on localhost and our port name. That's all. The next template is the password reset done template. So again, in the registration folder, right click, new file, and that will be password reset done.html. We start with load static, not inheriting from the base template there, and therefore we need the link tag. Now you can just copy that from here, right? In fact, you can copy the entire thing until that break tag and bring it into our password reset done template. Then we have a paragraph tag, class for styling, and just a message. That's it. We can close a div tag